Hello and welcome to a video on expanding brackets. In order to expand brackets, what you need to do is multiply whatever's outside the bracket by what's inside the bracket. So here we have three equations. So for the first one, you need to do 3 multiplied by 2 and also 3 multiplied by 2a. So 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 2a is 6a. Next we have 8 bracket w plus 5. So you do 8 times w, then 8 times 5, which you get 8w. 8 times 5 is 40. Next we have 5 bracket 4 plus 3t. So you do 5 times 4, which is 20. Then you do 5 times 3t, which is 15t. Here are 3 more examples to try. Feel free to pause the video and answer the examples on your own and check the answers whilst I'm going through them. So for the first example, it's 9 bracket 3x minus 5. So 9 times 3x would be 27x. Then you do 9 times 5, which is 45. The next example is 7 bracket 4x plus 2. So just like the others, it's 7 times 4x, which is 28x. Plus 7 times 2, which is 14. The next example is 6 bracket s minus 1. So you do 6 times s, which is 6s, and 6 times 1, which is 6. Here are 3 more difficult questions to try. So the first question is 2u bracket 3u minus u, which would be 6u squared minus 2u multiplied by u, which would be 2u squared. The next question is m bracket 2m minus 3. So m multiplied by 2m is 2m squared minus m times 3, which is 3m. The next question is 8w bracket 2w plus 2y. And the answer is 16w squared plus 16wi. Here are a few practice questions to try to test what you've learnt so far.